How to redeem Spotify gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can redeem Spotify gift card online. So let's begin with the process and how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, before redeeming your gift card, you should understand that make sure accounts, country, or reason settings match where the gift card was purchased. And if you have bought your gift card from a retail store, it needs to be activated by the cashier first. And you also need to register for a Spotify account at spotify.com/signup. Just go there and sign up onto your Spotify account and register your Spotify account. After that, accept the Spotify terms and conditions of use and make sure you've entered the correct characters. So Spotify gift cards are valid for 12 months from the date of purchase, and they can be purchased from many leading electronic and retail stores. And if you have purchased the card, then make sure to scratch it nicely, because if any of the number gets mismatched, you won't be able to redeem your Spotify gift card online. If you have already got your gift card, then you just need to scratch it at the back side of the card. After scratching it, you'll be receiving some code. So you're just gonna head over to your phone and you're just gonna open up one of the browser and type in spotify.com/redeem. After that, you just need to enter the code from the back of the gift card. Here you can see you enter your premium code option. Just enter it here. After entering it here, type confirm that you're not a robot and continue and click on redeem, and you should be able to redeem a Spotify gift card online very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.